Yung sa kabilang side.
Ayaw na
Hindi.
Ito yung
Lumipat eh.
O, ito pa. Dalis din to.
Hindi na siya makalabas nun kapag
walang mga naghihintay o. Ito.
Pero may parking na may mga pag-antay ko dito kay mama mo, yung mga paakyat yan o, maakyat.
Ayan dito.
Yan ang mga akyat eh.
Ayaw na nilang tumingin sa dulo eh.
O, tamo, akyat din yan.
Dad, this is a normal video now.
just do the time lapse.
Si akyat sila o.
Kaya bumabagal yung
Daming
phone,
umakyat
dami
eh.
ng laman.
Yeah.
No. It's because the amount of notifications that come in.
Kailan natin unang pinanood na series din?
Buti ka-ilaw pa yan.
4 na?
Nakailaw pa yan, iniiwanan
2
na.
ba?
2 or 3 ganun. Oo,
Hindi naman na
iniwanan
siya
wala ng
umiiyak
tao
eh, no? Lala. Parang
Kaliwa sana siya.
ano eh, nag-aalangan-alangan po.
Aliwa, gusto niyang kumaliwa eh, hindi naman pwede dyan. One way yan.
Bakit? Yan yata yung Incredibles eh.
Oo nga.
Why was I crying?
Meron kasi, hindi, you did not cry.
Oh.
Ano kasi, parang nag-ano siya na wag naman daw dalhin sa sinihan yung mga toddler, lalo na yung mga nag-iiyak-iyak.
Kasi nakaka-store ko nga naman.
Eh, siyempre, pagka dadalhin mo yun, pambatang palabas.
Ang bata naman eh. Talagang wrong way ka. Bakit ka umaano dito? Hindi
Tanang no left turn.
Ay, hindi naka-hazard siya. Kala ko naka-left. Ano
Ba't
siya?
kasi naka-hazard sa parking?
Bala ka.
Yung ticket mo.
Dad, look at the video quality.
Yeah.
Is it good?
No.
It's still so flashbang. Ma!
Grabe yung ulan kahapon. Maiksi lang pero ang dami ng baha.
Dad, I like to make it look like a
Eh,
low
wala namang
quality
kita
camera.
dyan.
No, I like to make it look like a low quality camera, like 2000 nothing.
Ba't ka nagaganyan? Sendan na lang kita nang galing dun sa dashcam.
Mom!
Hello.
So
Yeah,
we can
message
also
them.
see the inside, not just up there in front. Not just up there in front. Or like,
Yung nakita ko content eh. Mayroon siyang binili na mount
Okay,
na
let's-
cellphone. Dito niya nakalagay. So yung mga video niya minsan, kita siya. Tapos sunod naman dito. Yung dun, sa side, sa...
Yung mga nagko-content talaga ganun. Lahat ng sulok ng sasakyan may lalagyan ng camera.
Mom, I am making videos, but not much anymore. Because I don't know when to record. Like, I don't know what to make a video about. It's either, it's probably trying a new Roblox game
Mag-video
or
ka
something.
na dyan para mag-grading
Vlogger.
vlogger.
Mama, I am using a gaming channel.
Oo ba?
Oh.
But I can
Why you're
film it.
losing your channel?
Pag-umpisa pa rin dyan, 10 plus ang ang bigay ng YouTube. Pero ang dami-dami ng vlogger, lahat na lang ng ginagawa.
Okay, let's raise the contrast because they're so dark cute. Not good. Okay, sorry about
Saan
that.
punta nito?
Ah.
Hindi maalaman.
Okay.
Diyan magdidesign
I'm
sa
gonna
gitna
cover-
ng kalsada.
I'm gonna cover it if there's like
Saan ba yun
someone
galing?
looking at this
Tumawid,
tapos-
photo.
galing doon.
Tumawid tapos
Because,
babalik
I
ulit.
know
Parang
a lot
babalik
of
ulit sila
people-
dun eh.
Kung ano
Like,
ito,
Dalawa
on
na
camera,
kami hindi
so-
pumupunta sa unahan. Ay, ayun eh, isa.
Yeah, we're doing.
Ito nakahintay.
angkas yan.
Oh, great. Oh, yeah, I just realized there are plate numbers. I forgot about this. The fact there are plate numbers there.
Ang ganda na
Let me just cover
BMW pa.
that plate numbers.
Two-seater lang, oh. Ayun, oh.
Because I don't know how to edit stuff.
Daming
Mama,
tambucho.
how many? 50
Yan
million?
ang tunay. Pero pag iba fake lang na 4 tambutso Fake. Ilalagay lang.
Hi, guys.
Uy, yan. Tapat sa mukha ko.
Yan mo, di na tayo aabot
Hi, guys. Mom! I'm gonna post
Paano
it
mo
in
nakikita
YouTube.
traffic light? Ay, ayun, 11.
Sus.
Hi, guys.
Saan ba yung pwesto ng traffic light na yun? Paano mo makikita yan?
Para surprise.
Surprise ang huli.
Surprise, huli ka.
Ay, huli ka.
Basta
Stop
sa
na
stoplight mo.
diretso pa.
Ayun, oh. Ba't nandyan?
Okay, let's lower the contrast.
Nalagay mo sa YouTube, nagsasalita tayong lahat.
Mom, that's also happening in my normal videos. You can hear some of you and Dad talking. This feels so weird.
Ay, ba yan? Talim. Yung ano pa, may bago yung Almera. Ang galing May app
Mom,
sa
stop.
cellphone.
No?
Pwede mo nang start kahit wala ka pa dun.
Ducks.
Tapos bubuksan mo na yung aircon para malamig. Nasa cellphone
Naabutan nyo yung tinapay doon sa CCF?
Hindi po
Juice na lang ang meron
Diyos na nga lang. Kung
Bakit?
manamot ko, Diyos na lang.
Kaya pala
Kunti lang
nagmamadali
siguro,
lahat.
Nagmamadali.
Dati kasi di ba nawala na yung
Okay,
mga
I'm gonna
nagmamadali.
put the
Wala na.
Lumabas. Dati hindi na yun masyado
Bumalik na siguro yung nag-aan.
Kaso kunti lang naman.
Kunti
Dad,
lang.
is this
Oh.
good
Kasi
camera?
kakaunti yung tao sa Christmas naubos agad.
Remember,
Dami
this
tao
is
naman dun sa yung may
this
bayan.
one
Yung
is
May
a
lasa
pretty
naman yung
normal.
iced tea.
This is a pretty normal phone. It is. It randomly restarts for absolutely no reason for some reason, and
Malasa
Yeah.
naman.
not the best. It's not the best, but it's pretty good.
Taba nga yung
Like I can still play Roblox on this thing,
Puro tubig yata.
except I mostly play on my tablet. Anyway.
In-drive.
Ang pangit na sa
Parang
in-drive,
grab yan.
ano kasi,
Parang grab.
yung in-drive kasi may sticker no? Saan?
Dito sa basta yung mga grills na yan, di ba? Tapos may nakasabit na galon na blue, katabi ng
Galon na blue.
ayan yung galon na blue. Ayan o. Ayun yung tiyanak ko.
Oo nga.
Hindi ko nakita.
Okay. Oh,
Kung nag-drive yung
never mind.
Uy, wala akong makita.
Oh my gosh.
Si Sam din.
So this is part
Hanggang ngayon
2.
Ang laki na sa...
Okay, so this is part 2. I accidentally ended the video last time.
Sa iba nakatingin. Kasuway. Ayun na si mama mo.
So I'm gonna make a public playlist
Sa iba
with these two videos. So yeah.
Ang sakit yung bumabaon
So it's pretty. So you can just watch them without having to search up the other one. Anyway, let's continue this drive. Let me zoom in here. Why am I zooming in this close? It's not even... Okay. Okay, I'm fixing the camera angle. Oh, great. There's a plate number.
Hindi ka binigyan
No,
ng
good.
Honda.
Ang ganda ng
Okay.
kulay ng Innova din.
Oh! No, that's serious. No, that's serious.
Tunay na
Chill. Okay.
Oo nga
Let's see what's up ahead.
Yung nakita akong ganyan.
Yeah, that's what's up ahead. Pretty cool. Okay,
Gusto ko talaga yung
it's not
talong.
even that serious, but it's still pretty
Kulay
interesting.
talong.
May pasok ka na naman bukas.
Okay, there's a one dream up ahead. It's just a paint. It's a hardware trading.
Hindi, yaman siya.
Also, what
Bukas
the
na punta.
3 bar thing is how much fuel we have left. Because this is a Toyota Avanza 2023.
Oo, nag-withdraw nung pang ano bukas.
Ayaw nga.
One
Ang bakit?
way.
Yan na lang tayo.
Hindi
Jeez.
gusto ko kasi
Anyway.
sa all bank mismo eh.
Kaya nga, dadaan.
Now we have a domestic.
Di ba ka malitan?
There's the domestic up there.
Di ba kasama kayo bukas?
Okay.
Hindi ko nga alam kung bukas ng business office ng ganung oras.
Okay, so now we're landing the corner here. Wait, this song is 10 minutes long.
Yeah.
What?
It's the anthem.
Stop! It feels so weird, Mom. It feels so weird for me.
Gusto ko.
Barangay Pinagbuklod. Nilagyan na pala ng pangalan. Hindi ko na nakita.
Yun yung ano ko kinakabit ni Lennon eh. Nung...
Okay, let's see what's
Tagal-tagal
up
na din.
ahead. I'm going to turn the camera around so this is interesting. Oh, this is a good song. Oh, this is part of my apartment. My condominium. Right up ahead. There it is. Right there.
Withdrawing ko na yung ano kasi magpapalaboratory.
Yeah, we're inside
naman
now.
laman nun, di ba?
But this is where I live.
Hindi
We're
pwedeng
still-
ano pala.
My house is
May
still
pasok
way
siya dyan.
up ahead. Like,
Sa Friday.
it's literally, like, once you get to the end of the street,
Friday lang sa
and then
Sabado.
you still have like a kilometer after
Maglalakad
the
sa
end of the
Friday.
street. And also there's a
Friday, Sabado
school
na lang.
here. It's not my school though. I drop a video of me going to my school.
Nagpalampas na talaga ako kasi para matagal-tagal na.
Jeepneys are not allowed here.
Mahigit siguro 2,000
Only tricycles.
kasi ang dami.
And tricycles are literally the only public transport you can take here. I'm pretty sure you can get a grab car though. Not sure though.
Ang agalumi ko eh. Tapos pasalubong.
But there's a parked cab
Hindi nga
here.
tumingin dito eh. Pwede.
Parked cab. Not in service. There's also parked jeepneys here. They're not in service. So I'm gonna raise the contrast so you can
Yan
see
ito, punong-puno ng stock.
LCD right
Kaya nga
here.
eh.
Ano meron?
LED right here. And also so my
makita
hand
sa
does
likod.
Gaganong
and also so my hand doesn't look like a black hole. Okay, I'm gonna lower the camera contrast so you can see more stuff in my Anyway, Panda. Oh great. You cannot see anything. Panda. There it is. Panda. Of 20 PM right now.
Nasa inyo aircon nyo?
Yes.
No.
Pinatay.
Kanina pa yung gusto mo overtake. Kikita
Mama,
ko nandito.
look
Makikita
here.
ko naman nandito. Yung mystery siya.
Where?
Here.
Ilaw.
Saan?
Here.
Nabuhusan ng battery.
Mama, look here.
Nabuhusan ng battery. Nagpahila sa tricycle.
I'm holding the camera.
Paano kapag yung sasakyan mo ganyan na nalobat?
Ay, mga
Napahila ka
BYD.
din.
Wala, magtatawag ka ng support sa BYD. Yung minsan yung may pindutan sila, hindi ka na mag-text. Yung bago ng Almera. Sa support na namin isa yan, parang kusa siya na tao. Siyempre, gamit yung cellphone. Yung data ng phone.
Okay.
Para siya may app para doon.
I fixed camera position.
Hindi ka na magda-dial. Emergency nga eh.
I mean, I'm going to take a picture of the
Uy,
camera set.
ba't nakatapat na naman dito sa akin?
Your phone, I'm gonna take a picture of the camera setup. And then post it on YouTube. I was like, where is it? And then just took a picture of the camera setup so you can check it out if you want to. Okay, I'm gonna focus the camera so you can actually look at it
Dinala mo na yung nilabas.
and not get flashbanged like this.
Sa leaf.
Yeah. What? A bird? Bird poop? If it was bird poop, it would have just stayed on the windshield. I almost said front instead of windshield. Hi. That was only 7 minutes. Oh, yeah. I was like, oh, that was only 7 minutes. And then I remembered I had to restart the video because I accidentally ended it like halfway through.
Walang
Ay,
clamp
umalis yan.
ngayon.
Kanina pa umaga yan.
Lang ano?
Walang clamp ngayon.
Sunday, wala.
Ah.
Bukas pa yan.
Ayun o, yung peking tambucho sa
Yeah,
videos.
okay, yan.
Okay, so this is my...
Vios?
Oo.
Asan?
Ito
Ano,
sa
sa harap natin, 4 ang tambutso eh.
Nakala ko yung jeepney. Ano, may something dun sa ulo niya. Ano ba yan?
Ay, kuwan yan.
Sa hotel yan, sa intake.
So I'm going to show you the back.
Para hindi malunod pagka nalublob sa tubig.
Yung
Mom,
Snorkel nga. Snorkel.
Mom, smile.
Di ba pagka nilusong mo sa baha pa, di ba?
Saka katulad yan nung kiiga.
Sa tubig yun?
Let's say hi.
Para pag, hi.
Kita mo, nung nag-diving kami dun sa Bohol,
Mama.
ay sa Cebu, di ba mayroon din kami
Say hi.
Oh.
Hey,
Hi.
Hi, hello!
Hindi siya nahirapan siya pumasok. Doon mo kasi kunin.
Also, I'm gonna
Pag
film
ginagawa
up until we get to
Doon
our
na dapat
house.
kunin.
Which is still
Hindi nga,
up there.
Nahilang dun sa motor eh.
Kaya nga mas maganda. Doon
So,
na lang kinuha
we're
sa,
still gonna
sa
wait.
puting sasakyan.
Wala,
Tingnan mo na
nalagpas
siya.
na.
Oh,
Bye, Mama.
Bye, Jijing.
Mama!
Bye-bye, Jijing.
I'm going to upload this to YouTube.
Yes,
kaya.
bye-bye, Jijing.
Mama! Sorry.
Tupperware na lang.
Bye, Jijing.
Mama!
oh,
I'm going, you keep that open. I will see, and then, Mom, hurry up. I'm gonna film our car leaving. So I'm gonna cut.
Sus.
Oh. No, I want to film. I'm gonna point it down. Mhm. Maybe one doing one. This is so dark. Oh, it's even darker. Okay. There you go. That's better. Oh, we're gonna show you the door. Heads up. So I just found out that I can just download an editing app and then edit the 2 videos I made together. So yeah, I'm not gonna make that playlist because I can just compile them into one video with CapCut or something. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Bye.
Please step back from the closing doors.
On an arriving train. Ladies and gentlemen, we are being held momentarily by the train's dispatcher. Thank you for your patience. Ladies and gentlemen, we are delayed because of train traffic ahead of us. Please be patient. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the last stop on this train. Everyone, please leave the train. Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Okay. What was it? Okay, I need to stop. Look inside. Also, this is my tablet right here. It's the Concord. What happens if I like focus on it and then tablet, and then like flashbang? Okay, I'm gonna pause this right here.